Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was scrolling through my YouTube profile and I was having a look at the analytics of the videos, and I found something quite interesting and shocking at the same time. The demographics: 100% are male, 100% male viewers. I'm shocked. I actually thought there would be some female viewers. I really like women, so I'm actually disheartened, but I'm sure that will improve over time. Hopefully, maybe I must just pitch more videos towards women. I think that's the solution. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to let you know, and my YouTube channel is gaining a lot of traction, and I'm already almost by 1,000 views. So, thank you guys so much, and thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one.